I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson, and you're watching Get Your Sax Together, the home of free online saxophone lessons. This week, we're back to the solo breakdowns, and it's going to be Rick James's famous Super Freak, which has got that classic Daniel LeMelle sax riff in it. You're going to learn it. Let's get on with it. Super Freak is featured on Rick James's 1981 album Street Songs, and it features the rasping tenor saxophone of Daniel LeMelle. Really funky, really awesome. I'm about to show you all the notes and all the fingerings for alto and tenor. Before we do that though, remember to grab your free PDF right down below, which will have the music for alto and tenor and the note names written underneath. So don't worry if you don't read music, still got you covered, and you'll see all the fingerings coming up. However, if you want to go beyond that and you want me to teach you the real ins and outs, the real nitty gritty about how you play this and what really makes it special, you need to jump inside the Inner Circle membership, because YouTube just won't support formats that long. You need to be in the club. You can see the link there, or click the link in the description. There's loads of really cool footage, backstage footage in there, guests, monthly Q&As, featured solos of the month, the YouTube backstage stuff. It's all happening inside the Inner Circle, as well as a crazy cool community for you to enjoy and share your triumphs and your challenges. You can also make use of my free 1 hour saxophone success masterclass. You can see the link there. Right, without further ado, let's crack on and find out what the notes are for Super Freak. Super Freak was, of course, famously sampled by MC Hammer for his You Can't Touch This song. And it's also featured in one of my family's favourite movies called Little Miss Sunshine. It's an iconic scene towards the end of that movie that's got Super Freak in it, including the saxophone break, where all hell breaks loose. So go and check out Little Miss Sunshine. It's an absolutely awesome film. Now, if this riff's too fast for you, slow it down. If you don't know how to slow down YouTube, here's a quick reminder. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop computer, go to the settings cogwheel and then select playback speed, and then finally select the speed that you'd like to play it back. If you're on mobile, touch the screen, go to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and then select playback speed, and again select the speed that you'd like to practice at. Okay, you're good to go. You can play this at the speed that suits you. Slow it right down so you can work out each fingering if you need to. I'm going to perform it. I'm going to go around a couple of times, and then the backing track will run for you to perform as well. Hope you enjoy it. Here's Super Freak featuring the raspy, growly tenor saxophone of Daniel LeMelle. Hope you enjoy it. So that's it for this week's show. Hope you enjoyed this one. Nice and short, but it is a bit of a gnarly riff. You know, you've got to get right in the pocket. There's some interesting little 16th note rhythm, so it's not a given at all. And of course, there is that high F sharp for tenor, which is never a given, especially if you haven't got a high F sharp key. Now then, if you want to join the Inner Circle membership, please do click the link in the description, because you will get a ton of bonus stuff which you won't find anywhere else on the interwebs. Also, if you're kind enough to buy me a coffee and you appreciate this content, you can do so using the link in the description or the PayPal in the description, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. Until next week, where there'll be more awesome content on Get Your Sax Together, remember to practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy. Super Freak was on Rick James's 1981 album Street Songs. Is it Street Songs? Yes, it is. Da-da-da-da.